Alright, so I'm going to put the toilet paper in now, and I'm going to use basically the same thing that I did before, using pieces of this vanity right here. Zoom in on that, open that group, and this time I'm going to take this, and the edge here, and I'm going to just shift drag out, click OK, detach, take this, close that group, we have that. So I'm going to take these things, and let's see here, I'm going to put this beside the toilet on this side. So first things first, what I need is this little plaque, and I need to turn it around actually, and I'm no clone, and turn it around on the X, so that's there. Okay. And it's too far up, of course, so I have to bring this down next to the toilet right here. Now all I have to do is really line this back up with the toilet because that goes against the wall there. Alright, zoom in on that. Okay, now we have that. I'm going to go into vertex mode here and just make it a little bit smaller because of course it's not going to be that big. Alright, and this thing right here, what I'm going to want to do is rotate it 90 degrees, put it right here in the middle, and I'm going to shorten that up a whole lot as soon as this stops doing whatever it was doing. You can see that it has no backside here, so actually I'm going to delete that. I'm just going to take one of these and shift, scale it down, bring it to the front here, line it up here, scale it a little more, like that. Put it here in the center. Alright, I'm going to put that inside the front here. And I'm going to bring this out, like so. Alright, now I'm going to shift drag out another one of these. This is going to be the edge of it. Bring it up like this. This is what keeps it from falling off. Like that. Zoom in here. Select this side. Out a little bit. Same here on this side. Out a little bit. Looks pretty good, I guess. Alright, so now we have a little toilet paper thing here. Now I'm going to make a cylinder right here in the center. Give it some height on it. And then try to find it. Just over here somewhere. Zoom in on it, give it a gray material, actually up the count to about, let's say 8. Put that in here like so. Let's see here, 3.5, something like that. Okay. Toilet paper off like that to the side here. I'm going to right click it, make it a little wider. Okay, right click it, convert it to an editable poly, inset it just a little bit because we really need this to be hard edged, and inset it again, only this time a good bit, like that. Set it one more time, but just a little bit. Click OK, and we are going to just delete that. We'll come in here, do a connect down the middle, click OK, delete the polygons on this back side here. Okay. Now what I want to do, just my pivot point, I'll put it over here. Something like that, and then add a symmetry to it. And just take the mirror here, and for some reason that's not wanting to work for me. There we go, it's on the Z. Alright, that looks fine. Right click it, convert it to an editable poly. And then what I want to do is select this inside right here and hit F3 so I can see what I'm doing, and select this and then hit bridge. We'll just control click and make it edges, and then go to bridge, and that should bridge it correctly. I'm not sure if it'll kind of mess it up or not. Let's do that. Hit F4. What I'm going to do now is take this and do a loop, control click remove as soon as this starts to figure itself out. Alright, now I'm going to do a ring selection, connect, and I'm going to do 2 and pinch them towards the sides over here, like so. Click OK. Do the same thing on the inside of it. Over here, do a ring selection and a connect. Same. Click OK. Add a turbo smooth to this and F4, and that should work fine for what we want. We don't really have to make one hang down unless you really want to. But F4. If you want to do that, you can just click this and just do that, but I don't really think I want to make a sheet hang down. So I'm just going to do a ring selection here, convert that to that, and actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ring select here and do a connect of 1. And what this will end up doing is helping us create the texture for the actual cardboard roll that's in there. And we'll leave it at that right there. We'll call this toilet paper. Alright, we'll take this and we'll just move it down so it's actually sitting on that thing. And there we go. F4, we have toilet paper sitting there on the wall with everything else. I think that's going to be good for the bathroom right now.